Hello, everybody. Today I am in Colorado Springs, and this is one of the places I used to come and walk when I lived here. It's near the Broadmoor Motel. It's called the Starsmore Discovery Center near Helen Hunt Falls, Seven Falls, and Gold Camp Road. And I'm not going to go for a walk today because I don't have the right shoes on. So, this place has always felt mystical to me. I believe that there's spirits here for sure. This is a canyon, and when I lived in this canyon, you could hear howls, like, ooh. But the Native Americans that lived in this area befriended Helen Hunt Jackson, who's an author, but she helped the natives here gain some rights. And you can learn more about Helen Hunt Jackson at the Pioneers Museum downtown. Part of her house was actually put in the Pioneers Museum through the roof. I think that's pretty neat. But yeah, anyway, here we are, and I'm just gonna sit and listen to the water and look at the scenery and listen to the birds. And there are a lot of hikers in this area, and bikers and dog walkers. Not so many tourists right now, but in the summer it's gonna be packed. So I would avoid this area in the summer, personally. I would avoid Garden of the Gods, all the tourist attractions. But right now, it's perfect. So let's just sit and enjoy some nature. There's more water in this creek in the summer. I can walk up a little ways. But I don't want to go too far. I was doing DoorDash deliveries yesterday, and I do like it. It's actually really easy and fun, and most people are real personable, and I get to discover new parts of town that I haven't even been in. But, whew, I felt so busy, like, first taking the orders, then looking at Google Maps where I gotta go, looking at my phone, driving at the same time, making sure I get there on time. It was a little bit hectic, so today I'm just gonna take a break. Maybe I'll do a couple deliveries while I'm in the city, because I don't have DoorDash in my small town. But this is so nice, and I know the world we live in is so hectic. So please remember to just enjoy nature. Look at this tree. Whoa. I love it here. Even though there's a lot of people, it's still so peaceful. Like, I was just down the road 1 mile, and busy, right? Fast food, chain stores, 3-lane traffic, and then 1 mile up the road, here we are. Trying not to film the traffic, but it is busy, like I said. So we'll continue. I'm gonna go back up this way. And the Cheyenne Mountain Zoo is in this area. Well, I'm on the southwest side of Colorado Springs. Helen Hunt Falls is free. Seven Falls costs money to get into. Garden of the Gods is free. I think you have to pay to drive up Pikes Peak Highway, and you have to pay to take the Cog Railroad. Ooh, this is a perfect place if you see a bird. I love the birds. I don't know what they are. Comment below. birds definitely connect us to the fairy angelic realm. Can have a nice little picnic here. Oh, the Broadmoor has church bells that go off every half hour. This road is kind of dangerous because it curves and it's a blind spot. I'll turn around right here. That's a flicker. I'm up here visiting my daughters and grandchildren.